Hello, and welcome to the Everyday Miracle with Denise. So, are you wondering what essential oils are good for spiritual practice? Or even what the best essential oils for meditation and balance are? In this video, I will go over some of my favorite essential oils to help me get grounded before pulling oracle cards and for staying in a detached observer mode, which helps connecting with spirit and gaining greater insights into the understanding and the meaning of the cards that we pull. So hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise Ari, and I am a certified oracle card reader and elite wellness leader and essential oils educator with doTerra. So go ahead and hit the bell and click the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So I've been doing doTerra as a business for over 5 years, and I help women create financial freedom through the stability of running their own business with doTerra. Did you know that essential oils can naturally enhance your mental state and put you into an uplifted mood so that you feel awesome? I am super excited to show you some simple oil uses, and if you stick with me to the end of the video, I have a free gift to give you. It is my free PDF where I share a list of the most powerful and enlightening questions for asking spirit and the oracle guides cards to help guide you in finding your true purpose and power. So let's get to it. Okay, so when I pull cards, I love to diffuse an oil blend of grapefruit, lemon, Roman chamomile, frankincense, and Siberian fir. I use 2 drops of each oil, and this is the perfect grounding blend that also gives me an uplifted feeling from the citrus oils. So this is what I have diffusing, and it's what gets me ready in my mind in the right spot for pulling cards. So now that I've got them all shuffled, let's see and get started with reading for today. So I just wanted to let you see the deck that we are reading from today is called Animal Spirit by Colette Baron Reed. This is one of my favorite decks. And now that we've shuffled, I'm going to pull the top 3 cards. So the first card that I've pulled is card number 28. This is Frog Spirit. And our second card is card number 59, Starfish Spirit. And this one is in reverse or protection mode. And our third card is card number 24, Electric Eel, and this card is also in reverse or protection mode. So these are the cards that we will be talking about today. Let me just get this out of the way and pull our cards down a little bit. Okay, so let's get started with where we have been, right? So Spirit shows us card number 28, Frog Spirit, which is telling us to clear out the clutter. So Frog Spirit is here to say that life has gotten a little messy and cluttered, and now is time to clean house. So prioritize what you need to get rid of or give away and that doesn't need you anymore, that you've got to have more space like in your head and in your mind. So some of this clutter just has to go away, right? And if you have old stuff that you don't need and they're full of stories that are shouting out to you about the past, along with some physical clutter. Even some friendships are long past their expiration date too. They're weighing you down and they're just unnecessary baggage. So now is the time to let go of whatever you need, and it will appear when you need it again. So release the grip on all that clutter that is making you anxious and burdened, okay? So like I said, if you give something away and you need it again later, it will reappear in other forms. So clean up the past. Now we're going to move into your current state. And as we move into our current situation, we see card number 59, Starfish Spirit in reverse, which represents openness to the infinite possibilities. So when in reverse or protection, the card is telling you that when cynicism says no, Starfish Spirit is saying yes, 1000% yes. So are you willing to entertain new possibilities? Or are you limiting your goals in order to be realistic and cutting yourself off from the power of dreaming big? If so, let go of your rigid beliefs of what is possible for you, and let Starfish Spirit inspire you to open your heart and your eyes to what Spirit has available to you. Now is a time to stretch beyond the familiar and unfurl yourself for more that you are meant to have, and imagine who you really are and can be for yourself. Okay? So that's where you're at right now and where we are going. So by cleaning up the clutter and opening yourself up to infinite possibilities, that is the backdrop of where we are going to, and we look forward to where it's taking us. And now we see card number 24, the electric eel in protection. And this card says, bring your ideas to life. So ideas need to simmer, as they rarely come to us in full form with every detail laid out. So have you too quickly dismissed an idea because you couldn't see where it could take you? Perhaps your dream will take you in take a different form than you had first imagined, morphing into something else that is even better. So Spirit's plans are often hard to discern, but so much more satisfying once they have taken over from your own predeterminations. So commit to transformation and to learning new lessons in this new venture that will be coming along. And soon you will see where your aha moment was even more valuable than you realized, and when you first felt it electrify you. Okay? So again, be open to bringing those new ideas to fruition. Don't just dismiss them because you can't see all the details of it. All right? So that's what Spirit is telling you today. Trust and believe. So I hope you liked this video, and if so, make sure to like my channel, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to learn more about essential oils, I have a weekly online class that you are welcome to attend. I also have a free PDF that you can download where I have a complete list of all the best questions to ask Spirit when pulling oracle cards for yourself. You can find that along with my Essential Oils 101 guide in the description below. So with that, I'll say goodbye and have a good day.